Hello students, welcome to EduBlossom. We are doing chapter food, where does it come from, which is included in syllabus of class 6th. And today we are going to do part 3rd of this chapter. In third part of this chapter, we are going to discuss about vitamins. So different kinds of vitamins are required by our body in small amounts, and these are essential to protect us from various diseases because vitamins help in strengthening our immune system, and different kind of vitamins are known by different names. Let's start with vitamin A first. Let's start with the first vitamin, that is vitamin A. What are the sources of vitamin A? It is obtained from cod liver oil, from milk and milk products like from butter and ghee. Similarly, it can be obtained from various kinds of fruits and from yellow vegetables. What is the role of vitamin A in our body? It is required for healthy eyes and skin. And if vitamin A is not available in our body in appropriate amounts, then its deficiency may lead to a disease which is known as night blindness. So this is a disease by which a person loses his or her ability to see during night. Similarly, vitamin A is required for our healthy skin also. So if in our body vitamin A will be deficient, then skin will also turn dry. Second vitamin is known as vitamin B. It can be obtained from wheat, rice, yeast, milk, curd, and from green leafy vegetables like spinach and fenugreek. Similarly, from sprouted pulses and from fermented food. What are the functions of vitamin B in our body? It helps to make the muscles strong and prevents infections and boost energy. So it makes our body energetic and active. And when vitamin B is deficient in our body, then a disease is caused which is known as beriberi. What are the symptoms of beriberi? Its symptoms include difficult in walking, loss of feeling in hands and feet, loss of muscle function because the muscles get weak, and weakness of the body. Even it can lead to paralysis of the lower legs. Similarly, mental confusion and speech difficulties are also observed in case of beriberi. Vitamin C can be obtained from citrus fruits like orange, lemon, and green chilies also. Vitamin C is required for healthy gums and teeth and for healthy joints. And in case vitamin C is not available in appropriate amounts, then its deficiency causes a disease which is known as scurvy. So what happens in scurvy? We can see here in this diagram also. Gums turn spongy and bleeding starts from the gums. So this is a very common disease which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C in our body. Vitamin D can be obtained from milk, curd, cheese, then cod liver oil, and from eggs also. Not only this, vitamin D is also made by our skin in the presence of sunlight. Vitamin D is required for our healthy bones and teeth. And in case vitamin D is not available to us in appropriate amounts, then the deficiency disease caused is known as rickets. Let's have a look at the diagram also. So what happens in the rickets? Bones of the legs become curved and deformed. So a kind of bow legs are formed. So this way, proper growth of bones doesn't occur because of the deficiency of vitamin D. Pregnant and lactating mothers are advised to take vitamin D rich food for proper growth of bones of their children. Vitamin E can be obtained from various vegetable oils like wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, olive oil. Similarly, it can be obtained from various green vegetables, from tomatoes, and from cod liver oil. Vitamin E is required for our healthy reproductive system. So in case vitamin E is deficient in our body, then our reproductive systems fail to work properly, and it may lead to infertility or sterility. It means when the process of reproduction is hindered. Next is vitamin K. Vitamin K is obtained from various green leafy vegetables. It is required for the process of blood clotting. As in case of some injury, bleeding starts from the site of injury, and blood clotting is the process to stop bleeding. So vitamin K is required for the process of blood clotting, that is to stop bleeding. Whenever our body will be deficient in vitamin K, then the process of blood clotting will be hindered, and it may lead to prolonged bleeding due to delayed clotting of blood. This is all about vitamins, their sources, their functions, and the deficiency diseases of vitamins. In the next part of this chapter, we are going to discuss about the role of minerals, water, and roughage in our diet. So that's all for today. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much.